everyone. So me, my brother, my cousin, and my friend are going to be doing a paper airplane flying contest. Let's begin.
This is flight number 1, aka Luis. Flight number 1 landed right there.
So Luis.
Flight number 2, aka Manraj.
Right there. Right here.
Flight number 2 landed right there. Flight number 3, aka Brum. Oh. Flight number 3 landed right there.
And I'm in the lead so far. This is flight number 4, aka RD. Flight number 4 landed right here. Number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4.